All right, we're back here. This is second set action. Ateneo with a 5-point lead. De La Peña with a poor reception. They give it back to De La Peña. Now it's a free ball for Ateneo. Watch out for Valdez. They give it to Patron. Running spike. Dug up by De La Peña. Good save there from Pepito.
Boto and Ancheta were left on the net, but you know, Valdez is just really very lucky with all the shots.
I know, and she's been, in those kinds of positions a lot of times, and like dati ko sinabi, she just finds a way to score. Kahit mapanet, sumabit.
Doesn't matter how, it ends up at a point.
I know, and we see now for the first time, Mirasol gets into the court, and Mirasol also from the Lady Stags of San Sebastian.
So that's why we're seeing that the bench of Maynila is actually very deep. You can just, get someone off the bench.
Nice dig from Mancheta, keeping it alive. Mervic pushing it to the back. That is from Z. No touch from the block. Z pushes it to the outside, so that's 4-point lead for the Lady Eagles. Pepito with a good serve. Oh, poor reception from Valdez. Feels right there. That's a net violation. Patnongon. A bit too eager.
You have to be careful about it. Iba nangigigil, diba? If you're near the net.
Gusto nang hawakan agad yung bola, tap agad yung bola.
But, the danger there is you might just touch the net, but still lucky for Ateneo, Pepito commits that service error.
That could be a costly serve because they're trying to get the momentum back, and those kinds of points given to your opponent via service error, nako, kakaano. Oh, as I say that, but no one with her own service error. Mikasa. The Mikasa MVA 300 is the new official game ball of the Shakey's V-League Season 8. More intense rallies, more thrills. The Mikasa MVA 300.
Casas goes for the attack.
Nice dig from De La Peña.
Oh, look at that! Right in mid-air, she decides to bring it cross-court. Nakita mo yung wrist, no? Her wrist really flicked to the right. Look at this.
Boom! Yung patama sa bola, sabay ganun eh. Nice serve from Mancheta. See, hirap sila pagka maganda yung serve ng kalaban. Alright, watch out for Val. Oh, they give it back to C. The ball is right there. Alright, watch out for Mirasol.
Beck is blocked.
Wow. Solid defense.
But who can defend that ball landing right in the middle, right in the hole? Look at this. Not very strong. In fact, it was just
It was an off-speed. But everyone was expecting a power hit from Valdez. So
that's why it's very important that you really get to read your attackers.
Free ball. Nice play again from Cases. This could be their chance. Let's see. It's too high for her.
Cases doing everything that she can for the Water Dragons, but this is how smart the Lady Eagles are, just bringing it to the corner. Hindi kailangan pumalo just near placement there by Ferrer.
And I didn't even see her glance. It's just natural,
Instinct. She knows that the corners are open.
Ang galing, parang ako, kunyari, andito
May
ako.
mata sa gilid yun.
Kahit hindi kita tignan, alam ko nandiyan ka eh.
May mata sa gilid yun.
May mata sa gilid. Time out now for the Maynilad. Down by 5. Let's listen it.
papasukin mo. Pasok siya, iba. Once ay pumasok ka na ng backflip dito. Differential lang dito, Teka. Pumasok ka lang din. Differential lang dito. Halos sabay lang kayong dalawa. So, open ka na lang dito. Huwag ka na mag-guess dito sa bola. Huwag mo na sobrahan din ng taas. Basta mataas lang. Kasi pag nag-piece ka kasi ng piece kasi hindi mo papalo yung bola. So, dire-diretso lang. Huwag ka matakot dito. Hatawin mo na. Let's go! One team! Lima lang yan.
Right, Maynilad, with that timeout, trying to talk things over and get some more points on the board.
It's gonna be difficult if you're up against, like, this is a solid Ateneo team. We can say that they have a pretty good setter that reminds Doc Ian of himself back in the old days. Ikaw lang yun,
I was
no?
just thinking about that.
Ikaw lang yun, no? Parang, ako yung si Jennifer, naglalaro pa ako.
Medyo, animal instinct. Hindi pala volleyball instinct pala yun.
Animal ba?
Iba pala, sorry. But getting back to that point, if you've got a setter such as Jem Ferrer who, holds the fort when it comes to the setting choice, tas added, na lang, bonus na ito, nakaka-discarte pa na, making life easy for her attackers. That's really a big plus for your squad. And when it comes to Ateneo playing together as a team, yun yung advantage nila. Because they've been playing together, basically. So, unlike the other team, medyo nagkakapaan pa yung mga yan.
Ito yung parang Ateneo. Of course, you want the team to talk, to communicate inside. Pero ito yung tipong dahil sa tagal na nilang magkakasama, kahit tahimik lang yung kahit hindi nagsasalita, they understand each other.
23-17. And the pull away by Ateneo, quite evident now, as they want to take this second set to make things easier. Wow, that's inside. That's how you want Zihir Vasho serving. Service ace for Z. It is now set point here in set number 2. Zihir Vasho. Let's see if she has the same serve, and she does get the same result.
At this point,
that's what Ateneo does. They just smother you.
As we take a look at her shake and play, the serve courtesy of Zihir Vasho.
There you go, poor reception, leading to service ace, leading to a win. It is Ateneo on top by 2 sets. We'll be back after the break.